work down the bypass. See, fuel prices are going up again. They went down, now they're going back up again. Weird that, isn't it? More demand and they're going up in price. Why is that then? Greed. Everybody's greedy. These days, getting too old. Bad day actually. So it's not cold on your hands or anything, a bit of wind on your chest, but that's about it. Yeah, so I have to look at my menu when I get home and pour the correct oil and how much I need. I think probably about 2 litres, I think just over 2 litres engine oil for the next service. Do that. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you for watching if you got this far. Please subscribe if you can, it would help the channel grow. And you get lots of fun out of the videos, which is all about really. And yeah, I've got links in the description for subscribing, or the Facebook and Twitter pages, and for the Patreon if you'd like to try and donate to help the channel grow. I haven't got any money, and it'd be nice to better utilise that money on the bike and the videos and everything. So please become a patron if you'd like to. Thank you. Say bye bye now.